Hey foodies, welcome back to another quick and delicious recipe session, ready to whip up something delicious in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. Today I'm showing you how to make a quick and simple omelette that will make your taste buds dance. This is perfect for those busy mornings or when you need a quick meal. Let's get cracking. First things first, grab 2 eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and they cook up super fast. Give them a good crack and drop them into a bowl. Make sure there are no shell pieces in there. Now, whisk those bad boys up until they're nice and smooth. You want to incorporate some air into the eggs to make them fluffy. Add a splash of milk for that extra fluffiness. Milk helps to make the omelette tender and light. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. This is where you can get creative with your seasonings. Don't be shy. You can add a dash of paprika or some herbs if you like. Alright, heat up a non-stick pan on medium heat. A non-stick pan is key to making sure your omelette doesn't stick. While that's warming up, let's talk fillings. This is where you can really make the omelette your own. The sky's the limit here. You can use whatever you have on hand. Got some leftover veggies? Perfect. They're great for adding flavour and nutrition. Throw in some diced tomatoes, bell peppers, and maybe a handful of spinach. These add colour and a fresh taste. Feeling cheesy? Go ahead and shred some cheddar or your favourite cheese. Yum! Cheese adds a creamy texture and rich flavour. Now that the pan's hot, toss in a little butter or oil. This will help to cook the omelette evenly and add some richness. Let it melt and coat the pan evenly. Make sure the butter is bubbling but not burning. Pour in your egg mixture and let it spread out. You want it to cover the bottom of the pan evenly. Here's the pro tip. Don't mess with it too much, just let it cook for about a minute until it starts to set around the edges. Time to add those delicious fillings. This is where the magic happens. Spread your veggies and cheese over one half of the omelette. Be generous with the fillings. Now take a spatula and gently fold the other half over the fillings. This creates that classic omelette shape. Let it cook for another minute or so until it's golden and the cheese is all melty. You want the inside to be cooked but still moist. And there you have it, a perfect, fluffy omelette ready to be devoured. Quick, simple, and oh so satisfying. This is a meal that never disappoints. Plate it up, maybe add a sprinkle of fresh herbs for that gourmet touch, and you're good to go. Fresh herbs like parsley or chives add a nice pop of colour and flavour. So there you go folks, a delicious omelette in just 3 minutes. The next time you're in a rush or just craving something tasty, this 3-minute omelette has got you covered. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch or even a light dinner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking. And remember, cooking should always be fun and enjoyable. See you next time foodies. Keep experimenting and enjoying your time in the kitchen.